Morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur. I am going to teach you English language in your 6th class. And today let's start with the topic essay writing. First of all, I am going to explain you the meaning of essay. What is an essay? Essay is a written composition which gives expression to one's own personal ideas. It can give information on any subject. Means essay is a written composition giving expression to one's own personal ideas on some particular topic. Means when we express our ideas in written on a particular topic, that is an essay. Essays are of 4 kinds. In your 6th class, only descriptive and narrative essay is in your first term syllabus. A descriptive essay, first of all I am going to explain you what is a meaning of descriptive essay. Descriptive essay describes specific place, person or thing. When we described any place, give a detailed description on any person, thing or place. Second category is narrative essays. Narrative essay narrates any event, visits, journey, matches, sports, stories, legends and biographies. Means when we narrate some incident, some happening, some visit, our experience, journeys, etc. Third one is reflective essays. Reflective essay deals with abstract concepts like habits, feelings, social topics, qualities. Abstract means which cannot be seen, cannot be touched. So here in reflective essays, we give explanation about habits or feelings that are come under reflective essays. Fourth and the last category is imaginative essay. An imaginative essay deals with wishes, life stories of things, adventures of some animal or human. Means beyond reality. Imagination. For example, you imagine that if you were the principal of the school, write your experiences, wishes related to that particular topic. Imaginative essays is the 4th category. So when you are going to write an essay, keep the thing in your mind that essay should be consist of 3 main parts. First is an introduction part, second one is the body of the essay, and the third one is conclusion. In introduction, you have to write a brief 2 or 4 lines about your topic and give your point of view regarding the subject. In body, you have to write 1 or 2 or 3 or more paragraphs. It is the longest part of an essay, body. Each part have a separate paragraph consisting one example also. Support that particular paragraph with one example. Clear? And the third part is it should have a conclusion. It should be a brief summary of your main points in the conclusion. Conclusion means repeat what the question is asking you. What is the topic? And your point of view regarding on that particular topic. So this is about the essays, its kinds and its parts, how to write an essay. Is it clear to you? So descriptive and narrative essay, on your page number 150, one example is given, descriptive essay, and here second example is of imaginative essay, but in your syllabus descriptive and narrative is there only. So practice the essays, select topics according to these 2 categories, descriptive and narrative, and practice these essays yourself. If you have any problem, please ask. Thank you.